Hello, this is Andrew Kolsky from anxietyenders.com, where we offer a range of information and videos to help you end your anxiety. Today, I'm going to show you what I call the perfect calming meal. Now, don't worry about writing down the recipe and writing down all my steps, because I'm going to give that to you at the end of the video. Your job right now is just to watch what I do so that you can replicate it. The great thing about this is it's an incredibly healthy meal and is done in minutes. So no long preparation, no crazy meals. This is something simple and easy, very healthy, and lots of calming ingredients. So what are we going to make? We're going to make salmon, which is filled with omega-3 fatty acids that help to calm and soothe the body. We're going to make a sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a complex carbohydrate. They help increase serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that leads to relaxation. We're going to make a leafy green, which in this case is spinach, which is rich in magnesium, and that helps to calm your nerves. And those are the basic ingredients of our meal. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I have one single portion of fresh salmon. I have a tray for the oven. I have preheated my oven to 425 degrees. And here we go. I'm going to take a cooking spray and spray the pan so that our fish doesn't stick. I'm going to take a magic ingredient. Have you ever had an everything bagel? Well, they sell everything bagel seasoning. It's the same toppings they put on an everything bagel, and they sell it in a jar. There's several different brands out there. I'm not going to recommend any particular one. You pick the one you like best. I'm going to take the piece of salmon, put it right here on the tray. You see, I've done nothing to it. I've put nothing on it. I'm going to take the everything seasoning, and I'm going to put it on liberally. I like a lot of this stuff. You can see now, liberally coated. Take that. Pop it in the oven. I'll set my timer for about 10 minutes and start. There you go. Your fish is cooking. Simple, easy. Step number 2, sweet potato. I'm going to take some plastic wrap. And I'm going to wrap the potato in plastic wrap. Now, why do I do that? Well, the reason I do that is because potatoes typically take a long time to cook. Not the way I do it. We wrap it in plastic wrap, pop it in the microwave. In this case, we're going to set it for about 8 minutes. And that's starting to cook. What preparation did I do? Nothing. We put plastic wrap on it. Great. Next step. Got a pot here. And I've got fresh spinach. I'm going to go ahead and open that. And I'm going to put spinach to fill the pot. Now, that looks like a tremendous amount of spinach, right? I filled the entire pot. It's not going to be that, because you know that spinach cooks down. Into the pot, I'm going to add about, well, let's say half a cup to maybe a cup of chicken stock. And now I'm going to take, I don't like to waste my time with garlic when I can buy it pre-minced like this. Take a spoon, I take about a tablespoon of pre-minced garlic, drop it right in the pot. And then we turn around, turn our burner on, and mix that around a little bit. and we're going to let that start cooking. Now, here I am, done with the preparation. I've got the potato cooking in the microwave, I've got the fish cooking in the oven, and I've got the spinach cooking on the stove. Now, do I do anything to the fish? No. I wait for the timer to go off. Depending on the size of your fish, it could be 10 minutes, 12 minutes, a bigger piece, maybe 15 minutes. You're going to check your oven every once in a while, but basically once I set the timer, we're good to go. Spinach, that's the one thing I'm going to have to pay attention to, because as it starts to heat up and cook, I'm going to stir it around because I want to get that chicken stock and I want to get the garlic all mixed in. It's a delicious meal when you finish with that. You've seen I put no fats, no salts, nothing bad on here. And the potato is a potato, literally, just a potato. So we're going to let this cook, and as soon as these timers run out and we have the meal done, we're going to come back and we're going to take a look and show you what it looks like. Voila, we're ready for our meal. The timer has told us the fish is done. Let's take a look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me show this to you. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Okay, the fish is done. Let's get the hot tray out of the way. Potato, finished. I'm going to go ahead and take that plastic wrap off. Some trash and a plate. Go ahead and slice into that. Look at that beautiful sweet potato there. And finally, fresh garlicky spinach with some chicken stock. And here's our meal. It took no preparation. We've got no, oils on here, no salt, no nothing. Now you can put butter on your potato if you like it. Personally, I like it plain the way it is. The spinach, let me taste this one here. Oh my gosh, you have to taste this. This is nothing but fresh spinach, some garlic, and chicken stock. The fish, again, what did we do? We put everything seasoning on it. That's it. No oils, no butters, no nothing. Slice into that. You can see what that looks like. The salmon is so buttery and smooth, and the flavor just pops from the plate. And finally, let's try some of the sweet potato. Wow, that's really hot, but boy, is that good. The sweet potatoes have all of the flavor that they need just by themselves. You don't need to do anything to it. Guarantee you, you finish this meal, you will be relaxed and calm, and you'll be ready for one of our signature desserts. Watch our other videos. You'll see some of the desserts. Again, all calming foods, plain, simple, and the best thing is they take no time to prepare. Thanks for joining us here on anxietyenders.com, and we look forward to seeing you on some of our other videos. Good, happy cooking.